How to easily edit photos in ChatGPT. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up ChatGPT and you would require to update your ChatGPT to ChatGPT 4 in order to do or edit videos on ChatGPT itself. And after upgrading your plan on ChatGPT, simply click over here, then select ChatGPT 4, and after that, whenever you will type any command over here, like create an image of golden retriever or a pit bull or any dog or cat or anything, after that an image will be created, and then you can select that particular image and type the commands in order to edit it. Like if you want to remove something or add something, just simply click on the select option and then select any particular portion on that particular image, and after that you can like add anything to it or remove anything from it. This is how you would be able to edit that particular image quite easily on ChatGPT itself, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.